Big dreams, big cars, big house, big truck. As a little kid I had these visions to live it up, but I heard a voice and they asked me to give it up. But I'm unique, so no, I can't give it up. Yes, you are, you're my peculiar people. And Moses seen the bush, but I'ma burn through your speakers. And I'ma train you, it's gonna burn like ether. But I gotta do it, why? Cause you's a teacher. See, since you left your mother, you been in training. That's why your first life experience, they seem so heinous. Drunk mother, drunk father, now they fighting. My brother fronted you at first, now he's indicted. All you know is grandma, and now she's dying. That abuse from your mom left you numb from crying. 8 people in the bus, and the same in the class, trying to hide ED by calling smart people class. But the kids go and ask, how smart can you be? Calling smart people class, now you go and spaz. If fists come to class, you got power and it's branded, but you can't stand it. I see you can't stand it. Abuse gave you tremors, now you walk with a panic. Now you got a lot of stuff, but the love ain't in you. Now you looking for a way, and the gear rescue you. They got a crew and y'all spitting, but you wanna go harder, so you find hell henchmen, and Buddha finds death. I guess you's hell bitman, and it left you so sick in high school. No crew, no sports, no nothing. As you look around, you seeing so many frontin'. Now you doing parties, drinking lots of Bacardi, and you got this hustle game, and it's so swiftly, sharply. Now you doing parties and shows. You swear that you the man. You could grab any girl by the wave of your hand, but you love Shannon, and she give you little man. 15 with a son, but you didn't want to keep it. Now you living double lives, didn't think she could see it. Mom's sick on the pills, and she losing many days. Overdosed a couple times, but it still won't go away. One bad surgery, and it almost killed your fate. All this on your chest, and it left you suicidal. And that car fell on you, didn't hurt one vital, but you still wouldn't find me. Too many false idols, now you got a new car, and you going real fast. In that one bad shift, and you slip it, then you crash right into a Mack truck. Not one bone crush, can I keep going? Listen, is that not enough? Yes, I see what you want, but I got bigger plans, and I'm your bridegroom. Come and take my hand, let's walk hand in hand. Yes, yes, you a wifey, so lay down your life, so me and you just might meet. Embrace this new love, so you may have peace, you going to need it. Once you go and hit the streets, gotta teach them different things, like the truth about hell, or how I set you free. When I rip the bell, gotta show them many things. For example, grace and truth, John 1:17, right there, that's your proof.